Write the balance reaction for the complete combustion of decane C10H22. Decane is an example of what we call a hydrocarbon. Hydrocarbons are compounds composed of only two elements, hydrogen and carbon, so hydrocarbon. The problem says that decane undergoes combustion. When you say combustion, that is reaction with oxygen gas. So the other reactant in the problem is oxygen gas. And the combustion is specified to be complete combustion. When hydrocarbons undergo complete combustion, they form two products, carbon dioxide and water. So any hydrocarbon that undergoes complete combustion forms carbon dioxide and water. So our hydrocarbon is decane C10H22, oxygen gas is O2, carbon dioxide is CO2, and water is H2O. To balance this reaction, we need to consider three elements, carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. So we will make sure that the number of each element is equal on the left and the right sides of the equation. I will give you a tip. Balance first carbon, then hydrogen, and balance oxygen last. So let's start with carbon. On the left side, there are 10 carbons. On the right side, there's only one carbon. So to balance the number of carbons, we will add the coefficient 10 on carbon dioxide. Because 10 times 1, that's equal to 10. So carbon is already balanced. Let's move on to hydrogen. On the left side, there are 22 hydrogens. And on the right side, there are 2 hydrogens. So to balance the number of hydrogen, we put the coefficient 11 on water because 11 times 2, that's 22. So hydrogen is now balanced. We move to oxygen. On the left side, there are 2 oxygens. On the right side, there are 10 times 2, that's 20, plus 11 times 1 is 11. So 20 plus 11, that's 31 oxygens on the right side. So 2 on the left and 31 on the right. So how do we balance oxygen? We put the coefficient 31 halves or 31 over 2 on oxygen gas. Because 31 over 2 times 2, that's equal to 31. So technically, all elements are balanced. That means the reaction is balanced. But some professors prefer whole numbers as coefficients in the balance equation. They do not prefer fractions. So how do we remove the fraction in a balanced reaction? We multiply all the coefficients of the reactant and the product by 2. So let's start with decane. The coefficient of decane is 1. So 2 times 1, that's 2. C10H22. 2 times 31 over 2, that's 31. So 31O2. 2 times 10, that's 20 CO2. 2 times 11, that's 22 H2O. So let's check if this reaction is really balanced. Let's quickly count CH and O on both the left and right sides. So for carbon, on the left side, we have 2 times 10, that's 20. On the right side, 20 times 1, that's also 20. So carbon is balanced. For hydrogen, on the left side, we have 2 times 22, that's 44. On the right side, 22 times 2, that's also 44. So hydrogen is balanced. For oxygen, on the left side, that's 31 times 2, that's 62. And on the right side, 20 times 2 is 40 plus 22 times 1 is 22. 40 plus 22 is 62. So oxygen is also balanced. So technically, this reaction is balanced. So the answer to this question is this one. 2C10H22 plus 31O2. The products are 20CO2 plus 22H2O.